There's a certain glue that helps to hold a couple together. It helps them stay connected. And that certain glue is the expression of love, verbally and by all the little things that we do every day that say, I really care about you and I want to stay connected to you. Hello, I'm Dr. David Hawkins. I'm the director of the Marriage Recovery Center, where we specialize in narcissism and emotional abuse. And in emotionally abusive relationships, the glue that holds a couple together is very, very thin. One of my favorite movies is Fiddler on the Roof. And you might remember a scene where Topol, in this very, very sentimental moment in the movie, asks his wife Golda if she loves him. And she fusses and fumes and says, look, I've raised your children. I've cooked your meals. I've made your bed. I've slept in your bed with you. What kind of a question is this? And Topol persists. But do you love me? Do you really love me? And she fusses and fumes some more. Why would you ask such a silly question? I've been with you for many, many years. Why in the world would you ask such a question? And he continues, do you love me? Do you really love me? And then in this beautiful ending to the song, they both look at each other and they ponder for a moment, and then they say, I suppose I do. I love you. And after all these years, it's nice to know. All right. So what's the point? The point is expressions of love need to be made every day, all the time, in many, many different ways. And that is the glue. That's the glue. That's what really holds couples together, to know that they are genuinely and fervently cared about. And yeah, it's nice to know. Say it. All right, take care. We've got more videos for you.